Sorry.
Here, wait.
Oh God.
Push me off the chair!
I was trying to get the product.
Hey guys, my name is Siena Beauty and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time...
Welcome back to my channel.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel.
Hi!
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Siena Beauty. If this is your first time here, make sure to hit that subscribe button, and if not, welcome back. So today, we are going to be doing a special video with a special someone. This is my boyfriend, Cooper. Say hi to the people.
Hi, peoples.
We've done one video before, and it was kind of a weird video. Do you remember that one? Where he tried to guess makeup products, failed miserably. So we're hoping that maybe he's learned a little bit more about makeup by hopefully watching some of my videos. Have you watched any of my videos yet?
Sure.
So today, what he's gonna be doing is he's gonna be doing my makeup. And I'm not gonna help him whatsoever. I'm just gonna see what he does, and yeah, so he's just gonna teach you guys how he does my makeup, I guess.
I'm not gonna teach, I'm just gonna do.
So do you know what kind of look you wanna do?
No. I don't even know what this is.
Okay, what's the first step?
Your foundation.
Good, okay. Just choose one.
Ah, this is foundation.
Literally what you had in your hand was foundation.
Alright, I'm gonna put foundation on because that's what people do. I'm gonna use this cow looking thing.
You gotta show him the product. What are you using?
Sorry.
What is it?
It's a foundation.
Okay.
You do your thing where you're like,
Yeah.
focus!
Alright, explain to the people what you're going to do.
I'm gonna put it all over her face.
Okay.
Please don't move.
Oh, sorry.
I don't know what I'm doing. Oh, this looks so bad. Speed me up. Make it look really fast. Oh my god, this looks terrible.
Really?
No.
Are you putting it in my eyebrows?
I don't know.
Oh god.
I figured there's skin there, so.
What is this?
I'm trying to make you not move.
Don't move.
Because I poke you and you're like.
Don't be so aggressive. You done?
Yes.
What's next?
I'm going to do the eyebrows. Can you point out? Ah, found it.
Wow, that was nice.
Ah, here. We'll do the stupid Sienna thing.
It's not a Sienna thing. Literally every makeup guru does it.
Ah.
Anastasia and Beverly Hills Brow Definer.
Dark brown.
Okay, explain. What are you doing?
I'm drawing her eyebrows on. So they look more defined. Oh god. I missed!
How do you miss?
It's okay, we'll blend it, right?
You're trying, right?
Yes! Why do you use this? I can't do left-handed.
What is this? You obviously don't watch my videos.
Got thick eyebrows. I'm assuming this is the blender.
The blender.
Oh god.
What did you do? Okay, you don't blend when you do your eyebrows. Just saying. That's eyeshadow.
This is?
No!
There.
I mean, it's not awful, but
That looks good.
they don't match.
Yeah, it's good enough. Now, I'm gonna bronze it. Mmm, coconutty. Look.
Mm-hmm.
I got no stuff smell.
So you're using a beauty blender for a bronzer.
Yes.
Okay.
Watch, it's gonna be a
Oh.
on the nose.
Oh.
Not there. I don't know what I'm doing.
My god.
I think I'm just wiping it away. That's good enough. Now,
What's next?
I'm gonna do the eyebrows,
The eyebrows?
the eyeshadow. I'm gonna use this brush.
What's it called? There's no name on it.
Morphe.
Morphe. Describe the brush.
Pick it up like a paintbrush.
It's a shimmer color.
Is that supposed to be not first?
Oh, it's fine.
I didn't get anything on here. Please destination first.
Did you really just go in one color and then the next and then destroy it? You destroyed the color.
Did I really? It's okay, that's what fingers are for. Close your eyes.
Oh my god.
I think I got too much color. You're doing your stupid laugh. How bad does that look? Just close your eyes.
What the? Why?
In the crevices. It's fine, we're gonna blend this. What kind of brush do you use for this anyway?
That's a lighter brush. That's why it doesn't look good.
You're supposed to use big ones? Bob Ross.
I'm Bob Ross. Just a happy accident. Oh my god, there's like...
There. Let's get it off.
Blending, aka get the shadow off.
See, if you... Oh my god. The makeup fell here.
Oh, what happened?
Do you see it?
I should do yours after this.
No.
Comment down below if I should do his makeup. He didn't say no.
No.
How many likes does this video have to get for me to do your makeup?
5 million.
Okay, we gotta get 5 million likes. No, like a reasonable number.
That is a reasonable number.
With 70 subscribers, I don't know.
Exactly.
No, like actually, how many likes?
I just told you.
No. How about like...
50
Okay, 50.
million.
If we can get 50 likes on this video, I will do Cooper's makeup. What are you doing?
Okay, I'm gonna skip this part now because I don't care anymore.
You're skipping it?
I mean, I'm done with it. That's good enough. I think I'll make it worse.
Alright, well, what's next?
Next, I'm gonna do the eyeshadow.
The eyeshadow.
The eyeliner. Focus.
No, don't go so close. There. Explain to them what you're doing.
Drawing around the eyes. I don't know.
God.
Let's just. I'm just kidding. I don't know how to do this.
Maybe use the other side because it's a felt tip.
You tell me that now.
What do you want from me?
I didn't know there was another side.
Oh no, his hands are dirty. Yeah, show the camera.
I'm just gonna wait. I'll be like one of those teachers in elementary school. I'm gonna wait. Okay, don't move.
You're gonna get it on me.
Oh my god. I'm really trying. Are you laughing? That looks terrible. Well, let's at least finish it.
You have to do a wing too.
Oh, are you kidding me?
No.
I quit.
You're just like dotting my eye.
Are you supposed to draw?
How else do you do it? You don't just make dots. Oh, that feels too high.
Close your eyes.
What are you doing?
Underneath.
What?
Do you not do the underneath?
Go for it.
No, I feel like you don't.
Just do it. You gotta keep going. Do it. Why would you think you do that part? It's not actually that bad.
It's actually that bad.
Maybe it is. Now what are you doing?
This thing.
What is it? You never can say this name. What is this?
Maybelline.
Maybelline. What? No, what are you doing? What is the product?
It's something with the eyes. Stop focusing.
We just have a video and it's just you trying to focus products. Big 20 hours long. Okay, what is this? Is it on the bottom? Maybe. I don't see it. What is this?
I got it. This is for your eyelashes.
But what is it called? You can never remember this word.
Mascara. Yeah?
Yeah! Oh.
Alright.
I'm really scared. Don't poke me in the eye.
Open. Am I even touching it?
No. You're just getting the air.
Am I getting it now? Feeling now, Mr. Krabs? Stop laughing. Oh wait, I need more.
You haven't put any on.
But don't you re-submerge it after each?
You can re-submerge if you need. Oh, it's a little better. Oh my god, don't go so fast.
Speed is good.
No, speed is not good.
Bruce Lee would say different. That's good enough.
What's next?
That's it.
That's it?
Setting spray.
Yay!
See, I've watched a few of her videos.
Yeah.
Hey, I got in focus this time.
Good.
Who makes a product with two?
I know, isn't that stupid?
1, 2. I think 1 is fine.
Yeah, I usually throw it away. Yeah, hit my monitor, babe. I'm actually scared. This is the scariest part. Where are you going?
I gotta help.
Oh. Yes, I think this is a crucial step.
Don't open your mouth.
This is the thumbnail. Look how stupid I look.
Did you shake it? I hope I didn't destroy it.
I'm so scared.
Don't-
Can you tell me when you're about to?
3, 2. Please don't squeeze your face.
I'm
You have
scared.
a natural complexion. Just close your eyes. Like you're sitting there.
Okay. I'm ready.
You weren't scared when I was eyelining you? Don't make a face.
I'm so scared.
Here, close it naturally. This is delicate, watch.
Okay,
No.
I'm ready.
You open your mouth. How's it taste? Oh god. It smells.
It's just one side. You gotta get the other side.
Well, no shit, you kept moving.
Oh,
There. And now we let it set.
I'm like crying. Can I take this off?
Oh yeah.
What's next?
That was it.
You didn't do lips. So you just chose the first one you saw.
Yeah. I want to get a natural lip color.
Ooh, he's going nude.
Ah, yes.
All right, what is it?
It is lipstick. Why is this here?
It's to see the color.
Oh, I was like, do I go like this? Was that a yours?
Was it really?
Oh no, it's the new Audi Q8. Yeah, but they're based on the same platform.
Babe, come back. This is what happens every time he sees a car he likes. He just goes off and leaves me.
Oh babe, it's turning around.
It's turning around. All right, he's back from car watching to finish my makeup.
Brand new Audi Q8. In my color, blue.
Blue. All right.
Do I have to show this?
Yeah, you have to say the brand name and the
I gotta get all
color.
the fingerprints off. Here.
Just read it. They don't need to see the product. This isn't even a makeup tutorial. Babe!
Look, perfect.
it's
Did you
fine.
see how focused
It's fine.
it is?
Just no. You still haven't said what it is. Have you read it? What brand is it?
I thought it was a normal lipstick. It's L'Oreal.
L'Oreal.
Your ballot? Ballet?
Ballet. Are you kidding me?
I
You
said
thought it was
ballet.
ballet? No, you said ballet.
Please don't put that in the video. I can't words. What kind of lipstick is this?
Not a lipstick.
I wanted a lipstick.
It's a lip gloss.
I hate lip gloss. That's fine. We already showed it. Your lips are so chapped. Perfect, don't move. Babe, you spat on it.
I'm sorry.
I did not. Kind of. That's good enough.
Am I beautiful yet?
Yes.
All right. Anything else? We're gonna do like blush, highlight,
Oh, I forgot your
contour.
ears.
My ears?
Kidding. Contouring? We already did the setting spray.
I know we
And
can't.
I already
really go
took
back.
off some.
Yeah. Sorry.
wait.
Ah!
Oh god.
Push me off the
I
chair.
was trying to get the product.
All right. Are we done? Any finishing touches?
We should have a staring contest. Stop laughing. You and you.
You're gonna make the video too long.
It's fine. We have to get at least 10 minutes to get an ad.
I don't have enough subscribers for that yet.
Subscribe.
Subscribe. All right. Are we done?
I'm done.
All right. Well, guys, thank you so much for watching. This is the final product. Look.
Now you can see my mistakes. Oh. So if I could work on one thing, it would be the eyeshadow.
Good.
Look at this. Look, do you see this? Right here.
Yeah, Yeah, what is that? Why didn't you blend it?
I didn't see it because you were
You didn't see it?
Okay, let's fix that right now. Oh, that's huge.
Alright, are you done?
Yes, I already told you that.
Alright, well thank you guys so much for watching. If you want to see more of Cooper in my videos,
Please don't.
well, if you want to see more videos with Cooper in it, oh, he's leaving.
You gotta do the
No, wait. If you guys want to see more videos with Cooper in it, make sure and give it a thumbs up. Alright guys,
Wait, if I get closer, it'll be bigger.
Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. If you liked this video, make sure and give it a thumbs up. And also subscribe too if you haven't already. And if you want to see more videos with Cooper in it, then comment down below and we will make that happen, right babe? Right babe?
Sure.
Alright, well thank you guys so much for watching and I will see you in my next video. Bye!